An emergency training exercise was held at the San Bernardino International Airport on Wednesday, February 28th. The exercise was designed to test airport and community emergency responders in case of an airport or aircraft emergency. The exercise included a simulated emergency aircraft incident, complete with moaning and groaning victims played by EMT and paramedic students from Crafton Hills and Victor Valley colleges. More than 20 emergency agencies besides the airport staff participated in the exercise, including the San Bernardino County Fire Department, the CAL FIRE San Bernardino Unit, and the San Manuel Fire Department, as well as law enforcement and hospital personnel and emergency managers.